Sqeaky Nike Shoes. Now, according to the internet, the reason they squeak is because air gets trapped between that layer, which is below that layer, and here. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze, and you see the way that white bit kind of comes up. You want to get a Stanley knife and make a cut, and that lets the air out. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's see if the squeak is gone. %100% successful. So you basically cut a big square, like a cross. Even that's not a square, a cross, and that's it. That's the air get out and stops your squeaks.